Okay, so this is a video just about how to navigate and actually do the problem set. So you would get into Lalima and you could just go to problem sets here. And the first thing you should do is watch this video. Now, while you're watching the video, I would suggest you also just download this and maybe even print it out. Have it on, I don't know if you're one of those like weird, I shouldn't say weird, computer intensive individuals that has two monitors. I only have one. But if you're one of those individuals that has two monitors, this would be the value of having two monitors. Put this problem set on one screen and then be watching the video I made on the other. The video walks you through pretty much all of the questions. So it's worth your 40 minutes to watch it. There are two problems in the problem set that I can determine here as I walk through it. Number 6 is missing a utility function, and number 8 has a missing negative sign. Um, so I wrote it out here, but then I worried that like someone would be like, "What does that mean?" So I wrote it out here. So it's 0.3x to the second power y to the third power, or x squared y cubed times 0.3. That's your utility function for number 6. Number 8's missing the negative sign. It should be negative 0.2. Okay. So once you do it, like how would you do this? Well, you could do it in one of two ways. This is a Word document. So you could, sorry, it's a PDF. Sorry. So um, you could type it out if you want to. I don't really care though. I mean, I wrote out the answer key just now, and I just got out a legal pad and just went to town on it. I think you could do the same, and I think it'd save you all a lot of time if you do it that way, rather than like formatting a digital file, unless you just work that way, right? Or you could use like if you've got like a Microsoft Surface or an iPad and you write it out with a stylus, that's fine. Um, the only thing I would suggest is make my life easy and just submit one file. So if you're just taking like, if you're writing it out, just take pictures of what you wrote out and then combine all those images into a single PDF. If you did you did things on your iPad, take a screenshot and then combine the screenshots into a single PDF just to have a single file. And if you type into Google, how do I put multiple pictures into a single PDF, it'll walk you through how to do it. Um, it just would make my life incredibly easy. But the way it's gonna probably tell you how to do it is open up a Google Doc. You would go to insert, you would go to image, and you would start uploading all those images that you took pictures of, and you would have this all in a Google Doc, and then you would download it as a PDF. And I can walk you, if you're having particular problems, I can walk you through that individually if you want. Okay. Um, and then you would submit it here. So you would click on this, and this would be where you would submit it right there. And then you would proceed, and all would be well. And it's due in 10 days. So you've got a week and a half to still work on this. Okay. That's how you do problem sets.